Yo, what is going on, people? So, I know this video is kind of all over the place, but we got the window situated and we got the new brake pads in, the new rotors up front, and today we're going to be working on the exhaust. My brother's actually here right now. He's got the catalytic converter. Well, it's more like a resonator or something like that in the truck. And yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's get right to it.
Totally different, but
350Z. No, I'm just kidding. That'd be sweet. Here's the new cat. Well, it's used, right? Oh, it's new. It's new, but for a different car. And this is the muffler. Tailpipe. Is this like a bracket you got? Or is it
no,
just...
no, this is
This is a gasket. That looks nice.
What do you say? Push it. Okay, I see it.
It's the axle. The axle is a little bit on me. There it is. Might have to unhook the muffler part, get it through, and then feed it through first.
Pull it back up.
Yeah. Give it like a minute to warm up, or a couple minutes. Oh, is that the leak? So, all hooked up there, all hooked up there and there. So what we did was, we basically invented, my brother's a fucking genius, and he basically invented this whole system right here. I felt a little bit weird recording him, so I didn't. But he invented the system, and yeah, it works and it sounds amazing. But the only thing is, the only part that leaks out with an exhaust leak is, you see how there's this O2 sensor right here? Well, there's another hole for another O2 sensor in this pipe, but there's no O2 sensor that goes in there, obviously. So it's just an empty hole, and I just gotta get like one of those nuts to cover it up. But real quick, with the 30 seconds I have left recording, listen to a couple revs.